Hi. Do you have a poodle? Do you have a dog that's never satisfied with anything you ever do? Well, I do. And I know how frustrating it can be. So I'm here to help. Does your dog lick yourself incessantly in areas that you would never dream or want any mammal to lick themselves? Call me. Does your dog want food and dinner way too often than they should? Call me. Does your dog look outside at squirrels and bash their paws against the windows? Call me. Does your dog just do this shit? Call me. Because I have a poodle. I have a little poodle doodle. And she loves me, and I love her. And I can help you. But please, don't get me started on this one.